Want to start using the Google NotebookLM app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google NotebookLM. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Google NotebookLM, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in NotebookLM at the top. Tap Google NotebookLM when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Google NotebookLM app. That's all it takes to download Google NotebookLM. Want to try out other AI apps? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.